Assalamualaikum. This is Amnadan from the team BrainEx. In today's lecture, along with my fellows, I'm going to teach you about amlodipine, a calcium channel blocker. Amlodipine, also known by the brand name Norvasc, is a type of medication which is used to manage high blood pressure, coronary artery disease, and a specific type of chest pain known as variant angina or Prinzmetal angina. This medication is taken orally. Amlodipine is a long-lasting dihydropyridine type of calcium channel blocker. Now let's take a look at its history. Pfizer's exclusive rights to Norvasc through its patent lasted until 2007, with the overall patent protection expiring later that same year. The patent for amlodipine was filed in 1982 and it received approval for medical use by 1990. It is recognized by the World Health Organization as one of the essential medicines needed in a health system and is available in generic form. As of 2021, it was the fifth most frequently prescribed drug in the United States, with over 73 million prescriptions issued. The following brands are available for amlodipine: Kiterzia, Norliqua, Norvasc, and Onato. Now let's come to the pharmacokinetics of amlodipine. Its route of administration is oral. Elimination half-life is 40 to 50 hours. Bioavailability is 60 to 65%. Protein binding is 98%. Metabolism primarily is through liver, but there is no significant pre-system or first-pass metabolism. The metabolites primarily in active pyrimidine derivatives. Peak effect occurs 6 to 12 hours post-oral administration. Its action duration maintains effect for a minimum of 24 hours. Its excretion pathway is mainly through urine. After pharmacokinetics, let me tell you about its mechanism of action. Amlodipine functions as a selective calcium channel blocker, effectively limiting the entry of calcium ions into both vascular smooth muscle and heart muscle cells. This action impedes the muscle's ability to contract, with a particularly pronounced effect on vascular smooth muscle cells, leading to widened blood vessels, vasodilation, and a decrease in peripheral vascular resistance, which in turn lowers blood pressure. Its pharmacological effects include peripheral vasoconstriction, coronary vasodilation, anti-anginal effects, antihypertensive effects, slow onset of action, minimal negative inotropic effects, renoprotective effects. Its clinical uses include the treatment of hypertension, angina, controlled chest pain, arrhythmia treatment, coronary artery disease, and renal impairment. Its off-label uses control migraine, prophylaxis of migraine, and vascular disorders. Following are the side effects of amlodipine: swelling of the hands, feet, ankles, or lower legs, headache, upset stomach, nausea, dizziness or lightheadedness, stomach pain, drowsiness, excessive tiredness or fatigue, flushing, severe chest pain, rapid pounding or irregular heartbeat, and fainting. As far as the overdose of amlodipine is concerned, while it's uncommon, an overdose of amlodipine can lead to symptoms such as significantly widened blood vessels, dangerously low blood pressure, and an increased heart rate. To manage such toxicity, treatments typically involve administering fluids and closely monitoring ECG readings, vital signs, respiratory function, glucose levels, kidney performance, electrolyte balance, and the volume of urine produced. If low blood pressure persists despite the administration of fluids, vasopressors may be used to help stabilize the patient's condition. Amlodipine should not be used for anyone allergic to dihydropyridine class drugs, individuals experience cardiac shocks, in condition of unstable angina, patients with low BP and heart failure, in pregnancy. It causes reproductive drugs, leading to potential adverse effects or altered therapeutic efficacy. Some notable drug interactions of amlodipine include beta blockers, ACE inhibitors, diuretics, CYP3A4 inhibitors, potassium-sparing diuretics and potassium supplements, CYP3A4 inducers, simvastatin and antibiotics, and antifungal medicines. As far as the food interaction is concerned, it can interact with grapefruit juice, alcohol, ginseng, echinacea, and St. John for use in children younger than 6 years. Its typical dosage is 2.5 mg taken by mouth once per day. Older adults may process drugs more slowly. A typical adult dosage may cause levels of amlodipine in your body to be higher than recommended. So this was all from our side. Thank you so much. If you have any questions, you may ask.